welcome back again. This time we will talk about probability and statistics. If I zoom in, you can see better here. Yes. In FE civil exam for probability and statistics, how many questions may appear in the exam? Let us see here, 4 to 6. So there might be 4 to 6 questions from statistics and probability. What are the syllabus? Syllabus we can see measures of central tendencies and dispersion, such as median, mode, standard deviation, and estimation of single mean, regression, curve fitting, expected value. So what I believe most of the questions will be from here, like a median, a mean, mode, standard deviation from this area. So this time I'm going to talk about like some about this area. If I open the reference handbook, what are the equation given? Again zoom in. First is, you can see here, arithmetic mean. Arithmetic means, then weighted arithmetic mean, then population variance, standard deviation, sample variance, sample standard deviation, sample coefficient of variation, some, yes, many things. Even here, median, sample length. So these are like these topics are very easy topics and very useful. I believe that out of 4 to 6 questions, maybe 2 to 3 questions will be from here. So let us show you some example how to do it. So again, starting. So at the beginning, I will talk how to determine the average value and weighted arithmetic. Before starting, you will see that sometimes they wrote this word arithmetic means x bar, and somewhere else they wrote population means it is mu. Actually, mu, when the sample size is huge, then we use mu, otherwise x bar. But here, whatever you use, mu or x bar, both are same. So first I will talk about how to use this equation and how to use this equation, arithmetic mean and weighted mean. So let us see some examples. So let us assume some numbers, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. What is the arithmetic mean of these numbers? How to do it? So you can see the equation is this, x1 plus x2. So simply add this number 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 divided by number. How many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now whatever you will get, that is the mean. Very simple. I know that you know it. Still though I am like revising. Now we will see. Now I am not doing the calculation, it will take time, but these are the ways. x1, x2 means my data. N means my number of data. Then I will do, say, next term. Next term is weighted arithmetic mean. Weighted arithmetic means here my data, every data was like individual. Weighted means, say for example, in this class, how many students? In this class we have, say, 50 students. 50 students. Say 7 students. They are, say, 29 years old. say 34 students, 25 years old, 25-year-old, and the rest say 23-year-old. Now then, what is the mean age of this class? How we will do it? The equation says, so x bar, it is like 1 over n summation of wi xi. Simply what, this is my age, this is how many students, frequency or number of students, this is my total number. So how I will do it? I will do, so 7 students has how many? 7 students, their age 29, done. Then 34 students, their age 25. Then the rest, that means 7 plus 34 is 41 minus 50, so another 9 students. So 9 students, their age is 23, and divided by total number of students. Now whatever it will be, that is my answer. So if I have some data which has some weightage, so I multiply by the weight. Now whatever calculation will show me, that is the answer. Now say another kind of weightage mean. Say in a company, say there are 300 employees. 70% of them earns say 100 or say $10,000, and the rest 30% earns say $15,000 per month. Yes, assume more. Per month, 70% of the employees earn $10,000 per month, and 30% earns $15,000 per month. What is the mean salary? So what we will do? Mean salary. So mean salary will be 70%. So 70% of 300. 70% of 300, they earn 10,000. Plus 30% of 300, they earn say 15,000 divided by what? That is a big equation. So divided by 100 times 300. Yeah. Then whatever the answer, that is the answer. Now you can see here, if we assume like if we use here fraction, say 0.7, here 0.3, then you do not need to use 100. That case it is 1. If we use here 70, here 30, you have to use here 100. This is the specialty of this problem. This is I brought it here. Now another kind of weightage mean is range. Okay. Range. In this class we have about 50 students. 50 students. Say assume 10 students. Their age is say 15 to 20 years. Another 20 students, their age is say 21 to 25 years. And the rest 20 students, their age is say 26 to 30 years. What is the mean age? What is the mean age? How we will do it? So in that case, we will take the average age. Average age, average age. So again, it is weighted mean. So I will write this way. Say this is my weightage, this is my data. So it is 15 to 20, that means average is 17.5 if I am right. So this is coming from 15 plus 20 divided by 2. It is 17.5. Yes, it is 21 to 25. How many? 20 students. Their age is 21 to 25. That means what is the averages? Say 21 plus 25 divided by 2, so it is 23. So their age is average age is 23. Now, rest 20 students, their age is 26 to 30. That means 26 plus 30, 56. So 28, if I am not wrong. Then we can use the equation. Average age is 10 students, there is 17.5 plus 20 students, there is 23, and another 20, their age is 28, divided by my number of students is 50. Whatever the average is I will get, that is my answer. So in AP civil exam, I expect you will get one question from mean, I think, arithmetic. Okay, our next topic, if I open it. Okay, next time I will show you some examples from here. What is this? It is population variance. How to find this? This is the equation. It looks the equation is very ugly, but it is very simple. Similar here, population variance and then standard deviation. You can see here, population variance and standard deviation, same thing. Only difference is square, no square. As I squared it, here I will use square root. So let us see how to use this equation. Population variance and standard deviation. Say I have again the same number, say 10, 20, 30, 40. This time I assume 4 numbers, 10, 20, 30, 40. How to find, say, this one, population variance. If you see the equation carefully, you can see here, this is my data x1, x2 to xn. x1 means my 10, x2 means my 20, then x3, x4. So write it down. This is my x1, this is x2, x3, x4. I have 4 data. What about mu? Mu is the mean value. So to find population variance, I need to find the mean first. Okay, find the mean. So mu is just summation of this. 10 plus 20 plus 30 plus 40 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4. 10 plus 20 is 30, 30 is 60, 60 plus 40 is 100 by 4, 25. Check one more time. 10 plus 20 is 30, another 30 is 60 plus 40, 100 divided by 4, so 25. Then I can easily find my population variance. What is this? It is sigma square 1 over n, that means 1 over 4. My number of data is 4, so 4. first part, they used a angle bracket. So 10 minus 25 square plus 20 minus 25 square plus 30 minus 25 square. I will erase this. Plus then 40 minus 25 square closed. Then whatever the result I will get, that is my population variance. If you do not see it clearly, I'll turn it off. Now you can see this is the population variance for this four data. Population variance. Population variance. Now what is my next topic? My next topic is standard deviation. Okay, next topic is standard deviation. What is this? Standard deviation is simply sigma. That means whatever I determined, if I do not use square here and use a square root here, that is the standard deviation. That means sigma equals square root in this side 1 over n, then my data minus my mean square plus next data minus my mean, then my next data minus my mean square, then my next data minus mean square. That means whatever I did here, same thing, just I will take square root. Still, I think if you can do it now. Again, for standard deviation, what I will do? For standard deviation, I will erase this square. And then I will use. And this will be my standard deviation. Whatever the result will come, it is my answer. Okay, similarly, I think that now you can determine all of these, even sample variance, population variance, same thing. Only difference is here n means this n means my sample size, the population size, whatever the number of data is. And in this case, n minus 1. That means whatever my number of data minus 1. So here we use lowercase n. It means my small sample size. Here I use my uppercase n, huge sample size. So in FE exam, sample size doesn't matter. And I believe that they will give you data, 4 data, 5 data, 6 data, so that you can handle it using calculator. Okay, next I will talk. I think here you can do everything now. Other thing is that next we will discuss about say median mode. These are something mode. So what is mode? Mode means the data that occurs very frequently or the mostly occur. Say I have some data 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 3, 9, 11, 5, 8, 3. Now, set it data 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 3, 9, 10, 5, 8. Now if I count, which data is repeating the most? So 2. How many 2s do I have? Only 1. How many 3 do I have? 1, 2, 3. So 3. How many 5 do I have? 1, 2. So 2 5s. How many 7? How many 7? No others, only 1 7. How many 8? 1 8, 2 8. So 2 8. We can see that the data 3 occurred the most. So 1 3 here, other 3 here, other 3 here. If I turn off the light, it will be easier to see. So among the data 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 3, 3, 8, 5, 10, 9. So the data 3, it is occurring again and again. So it occurred the most. So this is our mode. So here my mode is, our mode is 3. Our mode is 3. Next we will talk about median. What is median? Simply median means the middle value. Say if I have some data 7, 10, 2, 5, 10, 9. If the question asks what is the median value, what to do? First we will arrange the data in ascending or descending order.